The wild.
Only 1,000 pandas remain in the wild.
The wild.
Human race.
The human race is only one small species in the living world.
Human race.
The rest.
Human beings have a great influence on the rest of the world.
The rest.
Environment. We are trying to protect the environment from pollution. Environment.
Industry.
They are affecting the water supply by using water for industry and agriculture.
Industry.
Agriculture. The area depends on agriculture for most of its income. Agriculture. Cut down.
Please don't cut down all the trees.
Cut down.
Destroy.
Half the world's rainforests have already been destroyed.
Destroy.
Pollutant. They are destroying the air by adding pollutants to it. Pollutant. Result in.
The act has resulted in 2 serious consequences.
Result in. Rare.
The first consequence is that many kinds of rare animals are killed.
Rare. Cheetah. Cheetahs are now only scattered throughout East Africa. Cheetah. Scatter.
Some small cultures scattered around the world.
Scatter. Panda.
Where do giant pandas live?
Panda.
Exist.
Many other species exist on this planet.
Exist.
Planet. Mars is sometimes known as the Red Planet. Planet. Effect.
The south of the country was worst affected by the drought.
Effect. Air. The higher, the washier air is. Air. Consequence. It caused a serious consequence. Consequence. Species. Over 100 species of insect are found in this area.